Blessed day, everyone. This is your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, Nancy Shaw Guerrero, to another exciting townhouse unit here in Diliman, Quezon City. A 4-story townhouse unit plus mezzanine. Dito po sa Diliman, Quezon City, very near UP, Ateneo, or even Quezon City Hall. Maraming pong works nearby dyan. So makikita nyo, a mini compound type consisting of 4 units with a common walkway. So makikita nyo po dito, ito yung ating car garage area. 2-car garage. Yan. So, pasok po tayo. Dito naman po yung ating dirty kitchen. Yan. Yung ating dirty kitchen at ang ating maid's room. So, may provision din po para sa bathroom. Yan. May bathroom po yung ating maid's room or ating drivers. Yan. Ito po yung ating maid's room. Yan. Kasalukuyan po, dito po naka-stay yung ating caretaker. Yan. So, spacious naman po. Pwedeng maglagay ng 2 spaces. Yan. Decent enough for kasambahay po. So, tingnan po natin kung kasya po ang 2-car garage. No? Here's a sample parking po ng ating car. Yan. So, makikita nyo, 1 SUV at ample space pa po for another SUV. Yan. So, meron pong door entrance from the car papunta po sa ating main area. So, punta na po tayo sa ating house. Yan. Ito po yung ating pedestal gate. Entering this is the foyer area. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng decor. Meron na rin pong chandelier on top. Here's another space na makikita nyo. Pwede kayong maglagay ng mini sofa dito as a waiting area. And ushering us to our car garage. Yan. So, truly accessible po yung ating place. Pinag-isipan and talagang functional ang bawat area. Hi! Paakyat na po tayo ng ating second floor area. Ano kaya ang nasa second floor area natin? On my left is the tank area. Yan. So, kasama na po sa unit yung ating water pump and water tank. So, makikita nyo, meron ditong air well ventilation all throughout from the second floor to the top. And dito na rin po yung ating laundry area. Actually, this house has you in mind if you have many friends na i-entertain or maraming visitors po. Ito po yung ating entertainment area on the second floor. So, ito yung entertainment wall natin. Pwede po tayo mag-bonding over video okay or over Netflix, diba? So, and this area naman po, ito yung ating guest area. So, pwede tayo mag-chikahan to the max sa areang to. Yan, meron pong mini kitchen, may bathroom. The possibilities are yours. Pwede rin po itong gawing another room if in case kulang po ang room sa area nyo. Yan, meron pa tayong balcony on the second floor. Overlooking the driveway and the corner of the house. So, ushering you to the third floor. So, makikita nyo yung ating stairs made out of ceramic tiles na merong non-skid properties po sa ating mga tiles. With wooden, mahogany handles. Easy and breezy lang po ang pag-akyat sa ating unit. So here we are at the third floor of this property. So as you can see, napaka-homey, napaka-cozy. Talagang private na private po nyo yung space. Kasi yung sa second floor, that is for your guests. This is your private area. So this is the living room area, a dining area. So kasya po ang 6 to 8-seater na table po. Yan. So, as makikita nyo po, ang daming windows. Windows all around. So, full of natural air and lighting. Diba? So, ito yung ating island countertop. Yan. So, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng 3 stools dyan. Yan. Sa ating breakfast nook. Itong ating functional countertop made of granite, range hood, stove top. At, kung kayo natatakot mawalan ng stocks, this is a big room for your pantry. Yan. Sa ating mga groceries, kung sakaling malayo or magkaroon ng emergency, meron po tayong stock area. So on my left, bago umakyat sa ating mezzanine area before going to the 4th floor, is our hotel type bathroom or powder room. So, kita po tayo sa ating bonus area dito po sa ating house. This is the mezzanine area. Yan. Actually, you could transform this into another room. Pero ginawa ng architect po dito sa ating unit ginawa niya pang office space. So, marami po sa atin ngayon work from home na. So, you have your private area na mag-work from home to release your creative juices. So, meron na rin pong sariling mga cabinets, air conditioning unit na naka-install to, pero ano lang po, stage lang po to. At merong sariling powder room. And here in the mezzanine areas, you can see, yan, may airwell tayo pero may room ventilation, ating fire exit. Meron pa tayong isang room dito, ang ating storage area. Pwede natin ilagay yung mga hindi ginagamit madalas na ating mga luggages, mga damit na hindi normally ginagamit. This is our fourth and final floor. So makikita nyo yung ating stairs dito is made out of tempered glass with mahogany wood side rails. Yan. So, dito po yung ating 3 bedrooms with own and suite toilet and bath. Meron din pong mini sala dito or living room area. So, pasok po tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Yan. So, what a joy to find out that this master's bedroom, lahat po ng ating master's bedroom ay may kasama ng headboard, padded headboard na modern. So, pwede po dito ang queen size or even king size. Pwede pa po maglagay ng side table. So, lahat po ng ating units ay kasama na po ang ating mga modular cabinets. Yung mga gamit na lang furnitures ang ipapasok mo. Meron na rin po siyang walk-in closet. And a modern minimalist toilet and bath. So, punong-puno po siya ng windows, no? So, air, ventilation will not be a problem for this unit. Actually, this unit is facing southeast, kaya morning sun, you have plenty of vitamin D in this area. Hi! Pasok po tayo sa secondary bedroom. Second bed dito po sa 4th floor. So makikita nyo, may nakastage na pong single bed pero mukhang kasya hanggang double po. Tapos may mga cabinets na rin po na embedded. Yan. Ito po yung ating toilet and bath dito sa secondary bedroom. Meron na rin pong mirror, wall mirror, lavatory, water closet, and this is the shower area. May enclosure na rin po na tempered glass. This is the 3rd bedroom here sa 4th floor. Pero every member of the family has its own room. Ang daming room options po sa ating mezzanine o sa 2nd floor. So makikita nyo, kasya po ang single bed to double. Hindi pa po nila minaximize. Meron po rin tayong study area para sa ating mga estudyante or working. Ito po ang ating entertainment wall. Ang ating closet. Built-in na po yan. At ang ating bathroom. Yan. So, complete po yan with bidet, with water closet, with lavatory and mirror, and of course, our favorite part, the shower area. So, if you want this unit, so message or text me at 0927-331-7657. So, for other properties in Quezon City, in Sampaloc, Manila, just give me a call. Here's your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, Nancy Shaw Guerrero, to be of your service always. So just give me a call. Actually, this property is accredited at Security Bank. So sure na mataas ang appraisal. So if you want this property, if you want a house tour, an actual house tour, message me and we'll set an appointment with you. Thank you very much for all your support, for all our viewers. Thank you very much. May this property be yours. Bye!